In the following segment of the program, you will learn about 4 types of surge protection technologies offered by Panamax: protect or disconnect, automatic voltage monitoring, extreme voltage shutdown, and signal side protection. Protect or disconnect is a patented Panamax technology that is used in all Panamax products. It offers catastrophic and overvoltage surge protection by disconnecting the connected equipment. Protect or disconnect technology uses trace and catastrophic fusing as well as metal oxide varistors, or MOVs, to provide surge protection. High-capacity, high-speed MOVs, as seen here in blue, are sandwiched on either side of a thermal fuse. The fuses are open to prevent the hazardous voltage from reaching your equipment. 2 Panamax products, the PM8 and the SP8, use protect or disconnect as their exclusive means of surge protection. Catastrophic power surges are obviously a threat to electronic devices. However, even slight over and under voltages or brownouts can cause serious damage to sensitive equipment. And even if effects of the damage aren't immediately noticeable, over time the voltage changes will reduce the quality and lifespan of sensitive components. The answer: automatic voltage monitoring from Panamax. Automatic voltage monitoring, or AVM, is a patented technology that was developed by Panamax engineers. AVM uses relay-based switches to detect both over and under voltages. In either case, when the voltage falls outside of a prescribed range, the relay opens and disconnects the power. AVM works on voltage ranges from approximately 92 to 142 volts, depending on the individual Panamax model. But the truly remarkable feature of AVM is that it automatically reconnects power to the system when the voltage returns to normal. This means there are no alarms to listen for and no breakers to reset. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 52 weeks a year. To demonstrate the benefits of Panamax's technologies, we've created this high voltage test box. What this box does is it takes the output voltage from the wall and essentially doubles it, recreating an overvoltage situation. If we put this lamp in here, we'll demonstrate your receiver or connected equipment that's plugged into it. So you can see it's operating at normal voltage. When we hit the red button, it goes up to 230 volts. You can imagine what would happen to your receiver. Now, before we demonstrate how AVM works, let's show you how the noise filtration works in this Panamax product. This is a Panamax M8 HT Pro. We'll plug that into this outlet, and we'll take this device, which is known as a noise sniffer, and it picks up any noise on an AC line and turns it into audible static. So first we'll try it out right directly in the box. You can hear how noisy the AC power is. Next we'll plug it into the Panamax, and you can see that Panamax has eliminated all of the noise off this line. A lot of times your customers will say, well, I have a strip, or I'll get a strip at home, or I'll get a strip from some retail outlet. Well, let's see how well that works with noise. As you can see, when we plug the noise sniffer into this inexpensive strip, there's no noise filtration going on. Now, as far as the surge protection side goes, we've showed you how this can create an overvoltage situation. We'll plug the meter in. We'll plug the Panamax unit in. We'll plug the light bulb in, simulating your receiver. And then we'll hit it with an overvoltage. Notice how the Panamax unit shuts off immediately so that no excess voltage gets into your connected equipment. All day long, watching your equipment, making sure that nothing happens to it. Now let's see what a competitive product will do. Okay, then we'll hit it with an overvoltage. You can see the high voltage just passes right through the unit into your receiver. This is going to be a service call at a minimum. Extreme voltage shutdown incorporates a technology developed by Furman sound engineers. This technology provides a first line of defense against surges. At voltages over 188 volts peak, a relay switch opens a circuit breaker. This prevents damaging voltage from reaching your system and is critical for keeping systems up and operating. Extreme voltage protection is featured on the Panamax M10 HT Pro. Power surges and voltage changes from the electrical outlet are not the only source of over and under voltage. Signal side connections, such as coax connectors and telephone and landlines, offer a back door that can allow damaging voltages into or out of a system. But Panamax, as usual, is ready. Whenever a Panamax product with signal side protection senses more than 75 volts on the signal side, the device automatically shunts the excessive voltage to ground. This prevents potentially damaging signals from passing through the system. The need for signal side protection is ever increasing. In fact, as more channels and additional content, such as on-demand, are introduced, satellite and cable companies are increasing their voltages accordingly. At one time, satellite boxes sent out between 13 and 18 volts. Now, their signals are up to 48 volts. With these higher voltages, signal side protection becomes more and more relevant. Large and complex systems may have more signal leads than a single Panamax product is designed to handle. In these instances, signal line protection modules are connected to increase the number of signal leads that can be accommodated. In addition to the integrated signal side protection, we also offer expansion modules for application-specific systems, or the ever-expanding system. These expansion modules, or MODs, are most commonly used with the M8 series of floor models. They attach to the grounding point of the Panamax product via a brass grounding plate. The use of MODs means that the superior Panamax signal side protection is expanded and delivered to all system components. Certain MODs also provide low voltage protection to outdoor speakers, Ethernet protection, and multiple telephone line pass-through protection, just to name a few. Furthermore, their mix and match design means that they provide complete protection for even the most complex installations. This concludes the second technology section covering surge protection. In the next section, you'll learn about several other Panamax technologies.